Did you know that small daily habits can change your health and your life? Today we will talk about simple health habits in English.
Yes, simple habits, small actions every day.
Hello everyone, welcome to Happy English.
Hello friends, welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, please subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today we will talk about health and daily habits.
Health is very important.
Yes, healthy habits help us feel good and strong.
I want to learn good habits.
Great! Let's start with a simple question.
Okay.
Tom, what do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up early.
Good! Say the sentence slowly.
I wake up early.
Listeners, repeat after Tom.
I wake up early.
Waking up early is a good habit.
Yes, it gives us more time.
After you wake up, what do you do?
I drink water.
Very good habit.
Water is important for our body.
Yes, water helps the body stay healthy.
I drink a glass of water every morning.
Listeners, repeat.
I drink water in the morning.
Good practice.
Health starts with simple things.
Now let's talk about exercise.
Exercise is good for the body.
Do you exercise every day?
I try to exercise every day.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I walk in the park.
Walking is a great habit.
It is simple and relaxing.
Listeners, repeat this sentence.
I walk every day.
Good.
Walking helps the heart.
Yes, walking also helps the mind.
After walking, I feel happy.
That is a good sign of health.
Health is not only the body.
Yes, health is also the mind.
A healthy mind is important.
Now let's talk about food.
Food gives us energy.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and fruit.
That is a healthy breakfast.
Fruit gives vitamins.
Listeners, repeat.
I eat fruit every day.
Good.
Fruit is sweet and healthy.
Vegetables are also important.
Yes, vegetables help the body.
What vegetables do you like?
I like carrots and tomatoes.
Very good.
Carrots are good for the eyes.
Yes, that is true.
Tomatoes are also healthy.
Listeners, repeat this sentence.
I eat vegetables every day.
Good job.
Healthy food helps us stay strong.
Now let's talk about sleep.
Sleep is very important.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep about 8 hours.
8 hours is good.
When we sleep well, we feel fresh.
Yes, sleep helps the body rest.
It also helps the brain.
Listeners, repeat.
I sleep 8 hours every night.
Good practice.
Sometimes people sleep late.
Yes, but sleeping late is not always good.
It can make us tired.
That is right.
A good habit is sleeping early.
Now let's talk about another habit.
What habit?
Taking breaks.
Breaks are important.
Yes, if we work too much, we feel tired.
I take short breaks.
What do you do during a break?
I stand up and stretch.
Stretching is good for the body.
It helps the muscles relax.
Listeners, repeat.
I take short breaks.
Good.
Breaks help us stay focused.
Now let's talk about screen time.
Many people use phones all day.
Yes, too much screen time is not healthy.
It can hurt the eyes.
And it can disturb sleep.
I try to use my phone less.
That is a smart habit.
Instead, I read a book.
Reading is a great habit.
It helps the brain learn new things.
Listeners, repeat.
I read books in my free time.
Very good.
Books are good for the mind.
Now let's talk about stress.
Stress is common today.
Yes, many people feel stress.
How can we reduce stress?
We can breathe slowly.
Deep breathing helps relax the body.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Take a deep breath in.
And breathe out slowly.
Good.
That feels relaxing.
Another way to relax is listening to music.
Music can change our mood.
What music do you like?
I like calm music.
Calm music helps the mind relax.
Sometimes I listen to music before sleep.
That is a good idea.
It helps me sleep better.
Now let's talk about sunlight.
Sunlight is good for health.
Yes, sunlight gives vitamin D.
I go outside every day.
How long do you stay outside?
About 20 minutes.
That is good.
Fresh air is also important.
Listeners, repeat.
I go outside every day.
Excellent.
Nature makes us feel calm.
Now let's talk about a positive mindset.
A positive mindset means positive thinking.
Yes, positive thinking helps mental health.
I try to think positively.
What do you say to yourself?
I say, today will be a good day.
That is a powerful sentence.
It gives motivation.
Listeners, repeat.
Today will be a good day.
Great practice.
Positive words change our feelings.
Now let's do a short review.
Review time.
Wake up early.
Wake up early.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Exercise every day.
Exercise every day.
Eat healthy food.
Eat healthy food.
Sleep well.
Sleep well.
Take breaks.
Take breaks.
Read books.
Read books.
Go outside.
Go outside.
Think positive.
Think positive.
These are simple, healthy habits.
Small habits make big changes.
Listeners, tell us about your healthy habits.
Yes, comment below.
Tell us about your daily habits.
Do you exercise?
Do you eat healthy food?
Do you sleep well?
We want to hear from you.
Thank you for listening.
And please subscribe to Happy English.
Share this podcast with your friends.
See you next time.
Stay healthy and keep learning English.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.